Right. So this is about a high-level understanding over Guidewire integration, irrespective of the kind of application that we are using. Either it can be for policy, billing, claims, and all that. Integration plays a vital and important role, as in when we know, because if you want to develop a communication between two different applications, integration plays an important role. As an example, when we are working on the claim center, to update the claim form, you required an access details of the policy center, policy data or policy number to be accessed from the policy center. So this is where generally we are retrieving, right? We are retrieving the information when we are updating in the policy document, in the claim document. So there are different methods that we have to create. Either it can be get method, it can be patch, it can be delete, it can be update. So different API methods that are to be created. For that, using RESTful API is one of the key and important thing. Normally we follow two things. One is on the RESTful API. Second is about the web services part. Okay. Normally when it comes to the integration, when we trying to understand about integration, wherein we use SOAP and as well as RESTful API generally for web services to be created. At the same time, even message queues, if you want to integrate this message queues also can be integrated. So whatever the required messages that are to be updated, etc., followed by any kind of batch files, it can be of any other format. It can be of CSV or it can be XML formats always. At the same time, integration can be integrated with any database, because if you see application, you can see three different layers, right? These are the three layers you see. This is the presentation layer where you are updating all the data. This will be stored in the database. From here, generally, we have to extract the generate reports. So developer will write the code here, right? This is the condition. So database connectivity integration towards database is also one of the key and important element, followed by different Guidewire APIs we use. As I told you, right? RESTful API we are using here. Next, we require to use some third-party APIs also, right? So because third-party APIs to perform any kind of credit scoring, any kind of risk analysis you want to do, or any kind of payment processing, third-party integrate APIs can be used here. Followed by internal systems, any billing systems or claims billing, or else any kind of external system, something like CRM systems or any ERP systems like external systems and all. These are all we call it as external systems. So external systems should also be integrated. Next, we need to extract the data, wherein by integrating with some different data resources, wherein by updating the policy information or any kind of underwriting guidelines, everything has to be updated. This is what and how generally Guidewire integration is required, being into the developmental perspective, being a developer when we are working on. This is something that we must be good and familiar.